Hey, what's up everybody? Mike here, and I'm out here in Loganville, Georgia, and I am looking at a Dodge Ram 1500 that has an issue with start and die immediately. So the first thing I'm going to do, because I scanned the car and had no faults. So we can see right here, all this is no faults in the engine, but we have a Parktronics fault and one in the instrument panel. And after you sit here for a few minutes with the key on doing the scan, the car starts up, truck starts up and runs. So first thing I want to do is inspect the inside of the ignition key. And right here we see an issue. Now I don't know if that got some grease inside it, so we're going to get a paper towel, see if it wipes off. It appears to, although it does still have something going on right there. So then we're going to look at the back side of our circuit board for any type of damage, and I don't see really anything going on. Now the inside of our key does look a little rough, so we're going to kind of wipe it down on the inside. The next thing we're going to do is test this key battery. So the positive side is the big outer, and then the negative side is the bottom. So we do have 3.2 volts, and this is a 2032 3-volt battery, so that should be good to go. Now we can tell by the way this goes that this goes in this way. So we're going to slide that in there, making sure that it fits nice and tight. Set that back in there, and put the key back together. So there's our key. So now we got further diagnosis to do on this truck to see why it would start and die. But I did want to show how to go in and inspect and test a key, which I do believe this one has a key that is trying to fail. So that's where we are. Anyway, again, this is Mike here, your automotive in the Atlanta area. And if you have some diagnostic needs you need done on any vehicle, hit me up and we can put together a time, a quote, and all that to get your car diagnosed. Have a great day, and don't forget to follow, share, and help me keep in the algorithm and help me grow to 10K. Thank you and have a great one.